Hi guys, I've got a Pioneer on the bench this morning, SX3400, very low end receiver by Pioneer, back in 80-81, 15 watts per channel it was rated at. This would be a perfect stereo for a little apartment or, you know, music in your garage or stuff like that. Anyways, the guy brought me this. It powers on. He says the channel is out, and we're here to test that. Make sure I'm all set up. I'm hooked up to my dim bulb. Powers up. The light's on. Okay. There's the FM. FM is playing. That's the left channel. Nothing on the right. I'm going to open this up right now. Okay. Here's my volume. Here's my balance. And I still don't have the right channel. And here's the reason why. Check right there. Check this guy right there. I'm going to zoom it in so you guys can actually see. And there it is. You can actually see the break. Watch this. And you'll see as soon as I touch it, like that channel again. It's a break right there. All I have to do is retouch that soldering, and my right channel is going to come back to normal. So we're going to do that right now. And for good measures, I'm going to just touch the other ones. And yes, I'm going to check this whole board. I've touched all these 4 speaker terminals, so it should be okay. There's my right channel. That's a fix. I've repaired the cold solder that was right here. This was the cold solder. We'll put some power on. Hope you guys are following me. So the right channel is working fine. Listen to my left channel. Distortion at 100%. There's definitely an issue with the left channel. That's the left channel. So I'm running a sine wave, 1000 Hertz, into the auxiliary, right through here. So the purple is the right channel is working okay. But check out the left, right here. There's definitely an issue with the left. So this here is divided like this. This is the right channel. These output transistors are for the right channel. The right channel seems to be working great now that I've soldered the cold solder, but we're having an issue with the left channel. And I did check the output transistors. It's a good reading, so I know it's not my transistor. My dim bulb tester is not detecting any dead short. I want you guys to take a look at this. With the volume off, but I have power here. I'm going to turn my multimeter to... I have right here is pin 3 and pin 4. That would be for the right channel. And this is where I would test the bias. Okay. So 0.08 volt, 0.076 voltage. Let's go to the left channel. Pin number 1 is giving me 0.076 voltage. This is in DC volt. I'm going to check pin number 2. And pin number 2 has 18 volts. There's definitely an issue with this resistor. This resistor is open. Can you see it? So there's an issue with this resistor. I'm going to check this in millivolts. Put this on millivolt. And I'm testing the right channel. I'm getting 84 millivolts. 76 millivolts. Watch when I check the left channel. I have a minus 77 millivolts. Check this one. It's too high. I'm having voltage on that pin. Pin number 2. I'm having 18 volts. Can you see the 18 volts? Okay, I'm going to shut this off, shut the power off. And I'm going to set my multimeter to ohm reading. So these resistors should run me about 0.6 ohm. Let's check the next one down. 0.6 ohm. And here's the this one here. 0.8 ohm. 0.8 ohms. Let's check this one. This is the one that I'm suspecting to be off. Look what it's measuring. Milliohm. This resistor is open. And here's another clue as well. I'm gonna show you. Check out the burn spots. That's exactly right here. That's exactly where that emitter resistor is. So we're gonna change that emitter resistor, and we've tested it anyway, and it's open. But that would be the cause of our distortion. You can actually hear it. There, I got this emitter resistor out of the circuit board, and I have my meter on ohms. This resistor is open, no matter how I check it. So that was the issue that I was having. 0.47. So we'll have to find a replacement for that. And I should be able to find it. Okay, I've changed the emitter resistor. I've changed one of them. The one on my very left of it was open. And if you guys remember the pins, that pin number 2, I was getting, I think it was 17 volts. I'm going to measure that pin now, and I'm getting 0.07 volt. So that has corrected the issue of the voltage. And that voltage was creating a distortion on the left channel. So let's see if that corrected the distortion. There you have it, guys. Receiver has been repaired. Both channels are equal. Distortion on the left has disappeared by changing the resistor. And I've soldered the pin on the right channel. And that was the issue that we were having with this receiver. It's repaired. Oh, it's pretty noisy, eh? That could be a lot of dust on the FM dial. That usually helps a lot. Can of air buster. Hoping that's going to be okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to spray some contacts in the switches and pods. And we should be good to go. So just bear with me for a minute. The light bulb's still good too, yeah. Good FM. There is a speck of dust right there. It's bugging me. I'm definitely going to have to take that out. Can you guys see it? It's kind of following the needle around. Yeah, just gonna change that. Yeah, that has to go. So you know what, I'm just gonna take it off. There you have it, folks. This is a fix. I had an issue with both channels. The right channel wasn't working. It was totally out. And the left channel was distortion. Showed you that on the video. We've resoldered this. The emitter resistor, this little baby here, 0.47 ohm, was open, and that was the cause of all the distortion on the left. So we've repaired that. This is ready to go back to its rightful owner. And this was a fun little project. I liked it. Anyways, folks, it's really not that hard to repair these things. All you have to do is be patient, be careful. There's 120 volts, so it's high voltage, but if you use your common sense with a multimeter, you can fix a lot of stuff. And if you you guys are watching this and you like, thumbs up, give me some comments, and I would appreciate if you guys could subscribe to my channel.